head here. We get the stick mounted and we'll let it set up. So what we're going to do is we want to work on this, getting our hole dug for our string. Take that off. So what we want to do is we want to come in here in our center for our string. So I'm going to use a 1/4 inch drill bit, and we'll go down through here, and we want to be in our center there. Pretty good. That's about where we want to go. So we're pretty well centered here for our string to go down through. So we're just going to bore this out a little bit so it's not too tight. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. We bored that out some, so now we're set. We can start working on the mouth, getting the mouth installed where we want it to go. So that'll be our next step. Thanks for watching.